Bloopers 95. What the? Okay. Why is it reversed? I have two questions. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo reversed? And then, why did everything just light up? Because it was shut down in reverse? Okay. So that's the logo's being fixed. No. Not allowed to pick that. Ah. Oh my god, I hate when you pick the Cinecons. You're so boring. Why does it say 21st Century Fox? Because I really love 21st Century Fox. Ah! No, it's not supposed to say 21st Century Fox. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Fine. Why did the 20th Century Fox get destroyed and turn into a cameraman and camera films pictures? Because it's the best. It's like so real. Well, too bad it's not real. I like 20th Century Fox better, please. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo an ear rape? Because it's the best. No, it's not the best. It's stupid and completely uncalled for. Cut. Why is a pineapple on the structure, and why does it say pineapple? And then why did it become 20th Century Fox? Because it's so funny. Ha ha ha, swah swah ruffle. No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be only 20th Century Fox. Get rid of the dumb pineapple intro. Fine. Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo not live action? Because it's the best. It's the best. It's the best. It's the best. No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be regular. Last chance. No, I don't like last chances. Thank you so much. Now, will you please get out? Fine. Okay, now that he's gone, I can just rest, just go in peace.